If skills alone guaranteed success, the most qualified people would be the most confident, promoted, and fulfilled. But that's not happening. So here's the truth. You don't lack skills. You lack one inner shift. Hi everyone, I'm Isha, founder of Elevate Training. It's been over 16 years I am serving in training and coaching industry and trained over 10,000 professionals and parents. Today, I'm going to talk about that what is that inner shift that you need to make in order to excel in your career. I meet highly skilled professionals every day. Degrees, yes. Certifications, definitely yes. And years of experience. Yet they say things like, I'm not noticed. Others move ahead faster. I know so much, but something holds me back. And most people think the answer is another course, another qualification, another skill. That's not it. The real gap is not skill. The real gap is who you believe you are allowed to be. Exactly, you heard it right. Who you believe who you are allowed to be. The inner shift is this: moving from skill collecting to self-trust and identity ownership. That's the real inner shift. Most people are trained, but internally, they're still asking for permission. Skills work only when they are backed by self-permission. Confidence is not personality. It's it's a decision. Visibility is not about communication techniques. It's about believing my voice deserves space. Yes, realizing that your voice deserves space. That is the real shift that you need to make. Let me simplify this with three levels. Level 1, skill mode. I am learning, I am preparing, I will speak later. Level 2, validation mode. I will speak when others approve. And level 3, ownership mode. I show up because I trust myself. My dear professionals, growth happens only at level 3. Success does not respond to talent. Success responds to self-ownership. Let me share a real example from my coaching work. I once coached a professional, senior professional, highly skilled, technically brilliant, respected on paper. In one session, she told me, Isha, I know what to say, but in meetings, I hold myself back. When we explored deeper, it wasn't the lack of communication skills. It was a belief. What if I'm judged? What if I sound wrong? We didn't work on new skills. We worked on one inner shift, giving herself permission to take space. Within weeks, she started speaking up. People started listening, and her visibility changed without learning anything new. This is what happens when the inner shift comes. Your communication changes, your body language changes, your leadership presence changes. I have spoken about this in my book, The Power of First Impressions, Make Them Count, which is available on Amazon and Flipkart as well. The link is in the description. Your communication changes, your body language changes, and your leadership presence changes not because you added something, but because you stopped shrinking. Most people don't need more training. They need permission to own who they already are. If this message resonates with you, subscribe to this channel because here we don't upgrade skills. We upgrade how you show up in the world. And if you are a professional who feels skilled but unseen, I work deeply on this inner shift through coaching and leadership programs. The details are in the description. Always remember, skills open doors, but the inner shift gives you the courage to walk in. Thank you. Have a great day.